Hey, what's up, guys? Another day in the market, Tuesday, almost end of the month, March 19th, 2024. We have a week of a lot of data to be released, a lot of news, a lot of information that could impact the market. We've seen now. Let's just have a quick look straight away to the news events today. So we may not have any particular news or any particular event that could affect dramatically DAX's price or any other asset. Um, uh, that in not at least in the main markets. So we've just seen a historic event that the Bank of Japan just increased about just increased the interest rates. It's the first time in 17 years that they have done that. So we've obviously seen the Japanese yen moving up, but assets, um, you know, going the opposite, going the opposite way. We've seen this in um, DAX. As soon as we opened during the Tokyo session, we had an important sell. We had a bit of a recovery, but started trading sideways. So we're just entering in the London opening. So we're gonna start seeing that kind of manipulation phase for the first hour. But let's just go back to the 4 hour time frame and let's see what the big picture is telling us. So if we say prices are still trading above the moving averages, and as we have seen historically, every time we touch the moving average, and every time we were close to the moving averages, we moved all the way up. But again, so we've seen this pretty much since October 2023. Yes, few we had a few days of prices trading below the moving average. We didn't see much crossovers, but pretty much it's been a very bullish move since Q4 last year, Q4 2024. So we're now entering this phase of consolidation after making new all-time highs. Again, it's a pattern that we have seen for the past 2 months. Every time we made new all-time highs, we went through a consolidation period, new all-time highs, consolidation period. We had this parabolic move, all-time highs, consolidation, all-time highs, and consolidation. So we finally see an important drop, not as much as I thought it will be. We're seeing assets in other areas. Crypto is having a correction. Same with other indexes in other part of the world. So I'm expecting, I'm honestly expecting to see um, uh, DAX having an important correction. I don't know how, what will be, of course, what will be the actual percentage of that correction, but we perhaps will see prices moving below the 17,800 mark, if just before another push to the upside. So just moving down to the 1 hour time frame, because we can clearly see prices trading in ranges. We had we at the end of the day yesterday and early this morning we saw prices trading just below the moving averages, the 150 moving averages. But again, rivers are still bullish. We haven't seen any crossover that will give us an indication of change in the direction of the move. I've just put this trend line as a reference. It's been very well respected pretty much since the beginning of February. We keep extending the move. We just had that bounce at the trend line level once again. And if we also let's just zoom into the 10 minutes time frame. It also matches with the previous day low level. So I again information data right that we have right now that we have today as a day trader. It's telling me to take a long trade. However, these weeks are very volatile. We have CPI news. We have tomorrow. I think we have FOMC as well at the end of the week. So we have very convoluted week, I just say, in terms of data. And I think on Friday we have Jerome Powell, talking about interest rates and making a decision whether we move them up and down, or we stick with the rate that we have right now. So when we have these weeks with a lot of key data to be released, sometimes is key to be aware of the charts. However, there might be some, we keep looking, we keep seeing how price behave, and if we have an A plus at the top, why not? We'll enter the trade. So if we see prices, staying in this area again, I'm gonna be using different confluences at this level, because we have, of course, we have the support, we have the previous day low, we have trend line as well. Right now, I'm just testing this. For ICT traders, we have the concept of fair value gap, and I've seen a lot of consistency and the prices, retesting that area before putting all the way back. So it's just an additional confluence that I'm testing. Again, I'm not going to be biased. We're not going to be using this today on my trade, but it's just a key area for us to consider to play along. If we see that move, if we see this move still going on, we can think of putting together a BRE. If we break retest and we have an indication of potential continuation to the upside, I'll be thinking, I'll be biased to set up a BRE at this level. So we got BRE, we got a TSC here. Yesterday we talked about looking at this level, mainly because it's a 4-hour time frame support, and also it's matching with the previous day low, and also we have ADR levels there. So we're looking for this for these levels to play along. Today, I don't know if that will be the case, because if we see prices breaking this trend line to the downside, there's a very high probability to keep seeing prices moving to the downside. Yes, we could have a bounce at this level once again before having a continuation. It's something that we'll consider depending on the how it interacts or how it reacts to this level. If we have enough momentum to enter the trade, we can consider that move as well. So let's see what the market brings us today. Just hope this was helpful to you. If there is any question, please feel free to reach out. I'll be releasing these kind of videos every day as usual. But yeah, feel free to reach out if there is any question. Thank you.